In today's video, we're going to do another challenge. This challenge is going to be retail arbitrage. This is my least favorite way of sourcing deals. The reason being, it's unpredictable. It requires more effort. You have to get in your car, drive the locations, usually walk about, scan. People are looking at you, you're trying to get in front of people. It's not my preferred way. You know, my preferred way is always to get easy replenishable deals, but that's not what the purpose of this video today is. It's about showing you how you do retail arbitrage. The store today that we've picked is Sainsbury's. Sainsbury's is a huge UK supermarket chain. Stores all around the country of England, Scotland, Wales, Ireland, wherever you may be, you will find a nearby Sainsbury's. Sainsbury's also offers Nectar points. You should definitely sign up because the points really do stack up, and it becomes a voucher that you can just bang off and save more money. A pro tip for your Nectar card is to link it to Argos and link it to eBay. If you buy in those two places, you will get extra points. Use your business then to generate the points, and then on your personal savings, you can actually bang off a load of money off your diesel, your petrol, whatever it may be. That is the best efficient way to use your Nectar points. In this video, we're going to set a challenge of about 45 minutes. Normally it's a 30-minute challenge, but like I said, with retail, you're having to go about and spend a bit more time actually looking. I'm aiming for 45 minutes. I'm recording this video in advance. We're going to go out tomorrow. I'm going to be taking my son. I'm going to show you what it's like to be a family man doing retail arbitrage. I'm hoping within 45 minutes we'll find some good deals. And I'm also hoping that the sunshine will come out because it's a bit of a doomy, gloomy day today. Well, where are we going today, son? We're going to go to Sainsbury's? Sainsbury's? Yeah. Here we go. Sainsbury's, child spaces, let's go! Oh, the naughty section. What we also like, son, about going to Sainsbury's is we can do our Argos click and collects, because Sainsbury's now owns Argos, well, it has done for a long while. What do you think, son? We're going to find some treats here? Let's have a look. Let's go. So that Lego was actually dearer in store, and that's it on discount. I wouldn't want to see the full price. Isn't that right, son? Isn't that right, son? Can you say fleece? No. Usually you look for the clearance stuff. That's what your eyes usually drew to straight away. Or 2 for 15 on the treats, like, let's see what this says. Just want to take a moment out of this video to say if you're liking it, please like and subscribe, help us grow the channel. Appreciate everybody that does that. And also, are you inspired? Are you considering starting your Amazon journey? I started off with $1 a week and I've turned that into a 6-figure sum. It is unbelievable how Amazon business compounds. It can be virtually risk-free and costs very little to start. Stop procrastinating, sign up today and join our free deal group, links down below. Important tip is always to know where your nearest clearance sections is. So look, you can see here, you're getting all these L'Oreal detox masks down to 4 notes, bargains. So you can already see the Christmas stuff is already starting to come in at the start of September. It's crazy, but from doing this long time, I kind of know that there's these types of treats are still to come down in price, unless this is inflation, these are the new discounted prices, but I still think these will come down. What are you saying, son? Mama. Always looking your man, aren't you? So we're going down the crisp side. Obviously, you could go to sell these, i.e. the potato, which is a Northern Irish thing which sells really well for anyone who wants to be arsed about it, but personally speaking I didn't bother because crisps can come in all forms by the time they get to Amazon's warehouses, never mind the actual customer. So you don't really want to waste your time because you'll get loads of returns and just down money, in my experience. But there is money to be made if you could be arsed with the whole packaging of it. And what are you saying, son? Mama hasn't that stopped looking. His ma. Just having a look down here, and I seen this nonsense. Pfft, wouldn't be buying that crap. The good thing about Sainsbury's is you can go down and there's stuff in time that you bundle up. So there's stuff here that I know just to get from. Yeah, you know about the stuff, don't you? Say yes. Say yes. No, you're all shy, aren't you? So. Yeah, looking. Oh look, that's what we found here. A few more treats. Now Lego on the bottom shelf here maybe. So it's been a bit of a mixed bag. We've got some decent stuff as you've seen, but there is, I've searched a lot and a lot of the clearance stuff, it's a lot cheaper on Amazon. Amazon to me is already doing its Christmas like sort of discounted prices, I think anyway. That's a deal. And that's the video. I think we did remarkably well, all things considered. The sunshine came out, which was very nice. But I also got to spend time with my son and make some money. So it's all win-win for me. Just shows you that even when you go out manually scanning and searching, you can find some real good deals. And I said about the cons at the start of the video and why I don't like it, but the pros are definitely there. You can get deals that you can't source online. You can get deals that perhaps nobody else can get based on your store. So it's definitely worth considering, especially at the start. When you're in the trenches, you're trying to learn the business, I highly recommend doing retail arbitrage as a way of getting those unique special deals. And then once you learn the business a bit more, you can scale it up to obviously online deals and wholesale, private label, all of that. If you've enjoyed this video, again, please like and subscribe. I will catch you in the next challenge and the next FBA video. Peace!